This is
Oh, I got
raspberry
this,
leaf
the
tea.
raspberry
I got
leaf tea from Target.
Target for Lexi.
Hopefully it will help for
Hopefully will
Lexi
help her
to dry her milk.
milk
Right now
to
she's
get dry
having
out.
false pregnancy. It's been like
Will be okay
a week now.
to get her surgery
I
out.
don't know why it's happening with her,
Having fake
but they say it's
false
normal
pregnancy.
for a dog never been spayed before.
Okay.
So hopefully this tea will help
Pray for Lexi.
her to dry her milk.
Everything will be okay. And I'll be happy if she already got spayed. Lexi, what are you doing, sleepy? Lexi, show me your titties. Lexi has titties. Lexi is having false pregnancy. Her titties got a milk on it. Let me see. Let me see. Pump it, Lex. See? Lexi has having milk. This is not pregnant. Poor Lexi. I need to dry it. This milk. I guess this is normal having false pregnancy. I got her raspberry leaf tea today. Hopefully in a week all the milk will dry out. Yeah, Lexi have a schedule for surgery or to get spayed next week. I'm so nervous. I hope you're not gonna die on me, Lexi. And hopefully this milk will be dry next week before your surgery, Lexi. Poor baby. Poor baby, you got a milk.